If we have an animal that was removed from the wild, the question we have to answer for ourselves is this animal better behind bars for the remainder of its living days, or is it better off not having survived it?
Well, zoos are nothing more than prisons for animals that are maintained for human amusement. And zoos came about during a time when it wasn't really practical, or in some cases even possible, for people to learn about, especially exotic or wild animals from other continents.
All Oakland is doing is taking tired old ideas that nobody else wanted to have rejected, increase the zoo. Oh, my foot. I mean, we're better than that out here.
But maybe they would need something like a city proposition and put it to vote to the cities.
Gee, guy feeds the elephants and somebody hauls off the animal waste and you sweep the streets, and that's supposed to be educational. That things in the past, zoos, cannot capture nature as well as one good video.